So this week's word of the week for week number 22 is EMOM. Now, EMOM is an abbreviation for every minute on the minute. Now, that basically means that you're going to perform an exercise. Let's say it's 20 push-ups. You're going to have 1 minute to complete 20 push-ups. If you finish those 20 push-ups in 1 minute, you wait for the next round, which will maybe do sit-ups for a minute. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 22 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have vertical jumps. Exercise number 2, we have lunges. Exercise number 3, we have flutter kicks. And exercise number 4, we have quick feet. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 22. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we had vertical jumps. So what you're gonna do is start with your feet shoulder width apart. I'm gonna step forward with my right foot, then my left foot, and then I'm gonna explode and jump up as high as I can. So again, right, left, jump, go back, right, left, jump, using your legs to propel you to go up. Exercise number 2, we got lunges. So I'm gonna do 5 lunges with my left leg forward, and then I'll do 5 with my right leg going forward. So I'm gonna go left or forward, knee almost hits the floor, go back down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, last one, and then I'm gonna switch it. Right leg will go forward, and then I'll do this 5 times. All right, so those are called lunges. Exercise number 3, we got flutter kicks, so we're gonna go on down to our bottoms. We're gonna make sure our backs are flat on the floor, heads are on the floor. If you want, you can lift up your head. And what you're gonna do is simply get your legs to alternate going forward, up and down like this. So that's flutter kicks. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, bring up your torso slightly and do it that way. These are flutter kicks. And number 4, we got quick feet. So we're just gonna step in place, shoulder width apart, and step on our toes. Try to stand your toes as much as you can, okay? So those are quick feet. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin in just a moment. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Vertical jumps. Remember, step right, left, up. Right, left, up. Or you can go left, right. It's completely up to you. Make sure you step back with that vertical jump. Use those legs to propel you up. 2 more seconds. All right, lunges. Again, we're gonna go 5 and then switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Now right foot goes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. Great job, my friends. Keep up the good work. Remember the motto, just finish. All right, go down on the flutter kicks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Lift those legs up again. If you want to challenge yourself, lift your head up, move your torso slightly. 6 inches off the ground. Notice my knees are not bent like this, but my legs are extended straight. Up and down. Come on, you got it. Breathe in. Out. In and out. All right, last one, quick feet. On your feet, on your toes, on your toes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, on your toes. Drop your hands, drop your feet, go, 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 go. You got it, let's go, work, 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 work. Remember, try. Your heels off the ground, on your toes the whole time. Go, 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 chop, chop, chop. time. All right, 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. I hope you're enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. We now are on Fast 5 22. If you have not checked out 1 through 21, highly recommend you do that. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys are interested in checking out my other Fast 5 YouTube channel, it has all of the workouts. You can do that as well. 20 seconds left. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe in. All right, you're ready to go. Again, we're going to start right back to the top. Top. Here we go. Vertical jumps. I'm going to go left, right, and then jump up. Or right, left, and then jump up. Completely up to you. Okay, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Left, right, up. I want you touching that ceiling. Let's go. As high as you can go. Propelling with your legs. Let's go. We're working today, my friends. Let's go. No keeping up. Remember my motto, just finish. 5 seconds left. Let's go. We got lunges coming up. All right, lunges. This time I'm going to alternate. We go 1, switch, switch. So left foot goes forward, right foot goes forward. Remember, your knee does not hit the floor, it goes near the floor. You got it, let's go. Work hard, my friends. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, come on down, Flutter Kicks. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go, up. Push yourself. You never know your limits, let's go. Work hard, my friends, work hard. 15 more seconds. If you're in pain, we're working hard here. All right, let's go, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your feet. Quick feet, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. On your toes. Let's go. Stop those arms, everything you got. 30 seconds. Come on. Work hard, my friends, work hard. Just finish. And time. Awesome job, my friends. You completed Fast 5 workout number 22. Fist bump, high five. Pat on the back. Virtual fist bump. Congratulations, great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 22. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, what kept you motivated, what words came to your head while you were participating in this workout. If you have not done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channel for Fast 5 workouts. It's called Fast 5 Workouts. And don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to do a DIY, do-it-yourself, skip it. So I have a few items that you're going to need, so don't go anywhere. So for our DIY skip it, all you're going to need is a ring. I actually use this from a coffee lid. If you guys have another paper plate, or if you guys want to use something that's a little bit more sturdy, look for any cap that you can just cut the center out and then use the sides. That's going to be what's going to be used for your ankle. As you guys can see, the rest of it's just bags from grocery stores, tied it up here, put some tape around it just to keep it tight and connected. And last but not least, tape ball. I used about 4 sheets of paper, rolled it up together, and then I had tape rolled around that as well. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and put that around your ankle, and then we have our own custom skip it. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how it works. So as you see, it's wrapped around my ankle. All you gotta do is move your foot and then create little movement patterns. You guys can go forward and around. Your other foot's gonna hop over just as if you were skipping back and forth, okay? Or you can go behind and around, same thing. The goal is just to get the ball spinning, the string spinning, and it gets your heart pumping and the blood flow to your body, okay? So I'm gonna attempt to do it. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, come on!
One foot spinning, your other one's jumping, you go back and forth. If you enjoyed creating your own custom skip it, drop a comment below, let me know what you guys did to create yours or what you're gonna do differently. So drop a comment below, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.